Dan from Unimedia here. Stay tuned because in this video we're going to be having a look at meta descriptions for your SEO. At Unimedia, we help companies grow and thrive using the latest tools, tricks, and marketing technologies. From websites to online marketing, automated sales funnels to social media content, and a lot more. We are constantly releasing new material on our YouTube channel, so make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss anything. Feel free to leave any questions in our comment section. Just before we get going, I want to tell you about our exclusive offer we have for you. We're giving away free access to our paid HubYouKnow platform for the first 50 people who click the link in the description below. This offer is going across all our YouTube videos, so make sure you get in there fast. Within HubYouKnow, we have created over 100 training videos in 13 courses, including a course on SEO. You'll also find recorded webinars and a host of other free content, so remember to click on the link in the description. So let's get started on today's video.
Hello and welcome to this video all about meta description. These are longer descriptions to entice search engine viewers to view your page. These appear under page titles in Google search results. It's a good idea to include a call to action, like a learn more button, a view more, read more. As you can see here, we have a learn more call to action at the end of our meta description for this page. Let's have a look at how to actually apply and create our meta descriptions. Go to a page or a post that you wish to edit the meta description for. I'm going to go for a page. Cycle through the pages. You can see the traffic light system to the side. I'm going to go into the ultimate guide to landing pages. On the mobile result or desktop result, click that or edit snippet and it will open up the editing area. And here you can see the meta description field. You can see that it's already long enough. It's got the green bar rather than orange or red being too long. But it doesn't have a call to action, so I'm going to put that in. The call to action I'm going to use is just take a look. You can see that it's just about in the green, and any more would definitely go red, and you wouldn't want that. It's important to note that you won't actually see any changes on Google straight away. You have to wait for Google to actually re-index your website. Like page titles, all meta descriptions should be unique to the page, and you shouldn't keyword stuff. Google will pick up on this and they will punish you. So to summarize, meta descriptions are longer descriptions of what the page is going to be about. You want to make sure that they are engaging and capture the interest of search engine users. Don't keyword stuff and make sure it's unique to every single page.